My Notion has 12,000 entries in it. Articles, meeting notes, voice memos, screenshots, random ideas from the last 4 years. And I can pull any one of them up in under 10 seconds using nothing but natural language. Not because Notion Search got good, because I wired Notion to an AI layer that reads across everything and finds exactly what I need. Today, I'm going to show you the exact build: 4 databases, 3 automations, 1 custom GPT, and a review habit, so that by the end of this video, you've got a system that remembers everything you'll ever save into it. Grab your laptop, let's go.
Most people use Notion as a glorified notes app. Create page, type words, close page, never look at it again. 6 months later, you've got a workspace full of half-finished pages and you can't find anything. I was that person for years. The shift happened when I stopped treating Notion like a notes app and started treating it like a database with an AI layer on top. Because once you think of it that way, the question changes. It's not where do I put this, it's where will the AI find this when I need it? And that question is way easier to answer. Here's the architecture: 4 Notion databases, Inbox, Knowledge, Projects, and Archive. 3 automations that move stuff between them. 1 custom GPT that reads everything, and 1 weekly habit that keeps it all current. Setup time from 0 is about 45 minutes. Ongoing maintenance is 10 seconds a week. Don't be intimidated by the word database if you've never built one in Notion. A database in Notion is just a list with some columns. You can set one up in under a minute. I'll show you. The inbox is where everything lands. Voice memos, web clippings, random ideas, whatever. 2 properties only: title and captured date. That's it. No categories, no tags, no types. Why so minimal? Because the inbox is not for organization. The inbox is for speed. The moment you add a required field, capture slows down. And when capture slows down, you stop doing it. The whole system breaks. Set up the Notion web clipper and the mobile quick add widget to dump directly into this database.
Nothing else. One source, no thinking. This is where things live long term. Properties: title, type, article, note, book, meeting, idea, source, tags, optional, key insight, date added, status, active, reference, evergreen. This one has more structure because this is where the AI reads from. More structure, better AI retrieval. But here's the key: you do not capture directly into Knowledge. You capture into Inbox. Then you move things to Knowledge during your weekly review. Set a view in Knowledge filtered by recently added. Sort descending by date added. That's your feed. It's the thing you scroll during your weekly review. Projects is for anything you're actively working on. Properties: title, status, active, paused, done, deadline, description, related knowledge, a relation field pointing back to Knowledge Vault. The magic property is related knowledge. When you're working on a project, you link relevant notes from your Knowledge Vault into it. Later, when you ask your AI, "What did I learn about Project X?" it follows the relations and pulls everything you've tagged. Archive is cold storage. Finished projects, old notes, stuff you don't need to see every day but don't want to delete. 1 property: title. Why have it at all? Because your AI still reads Archive, so even if you don't scroll it manually, the AI can pull from it when you ask the right question.
Don't delete things. Archive them. In Notion's automation panel, create a rule. When an inbox item is marked Review, you add a checkbox property for this, move it to Knowledge Vault and set its type based on keywords in the title. This is optional, but saves a lot of clicks over time. If you don't want to set it up, just do it manually during your weekly review. Drag and drop works fine. Every Sunday, an automation generates a page that summarizes what you added that week: total count, breakdown by type, a preview of the top 5 key insights. This is optional but incredibly useful. It gives you a forcing function to actually review your own week. You can build this with a Notion formula plus a scheduled trigger, or you can just make it part of your Sunday review routine and write it yourself in 2 minutes. Every Sunday, export your entire workspace as Markdown. Notion lets you do this from the workspace settings. Export all workspace content, format Markdown and CSV. You get a zip file. Drop the zip into your custom GPT's Knowledge section or your cloud project. 30 seconds. This is what keeps the AI layer current. Set a recurring Sunday reminder and never skip it. This is the AI layer that ties everything together. Create a custom GPT called My Notion Brain. System prompt:
You are my personal knowledge retrieval assistant. My Notion workspace is loaded as your knowledge base. When I ask a question, search through all databases: inbox, knowledge, projects, archive.
Respond with exact quotes, the original page title, and the date captured. Never paraphrase, never invent. If you find related items across databases, note them at the end under Related. If you can't find something, say so clearly. That's the whole thing. The never paraphrase, never invent line is non-negotiable. It's what keeps the AI from hallucinating pages that don't exist. Let me show you this running on mine. Query 1. What's the email template I wrote for cold outreach last October? Bam. Exact page from my Knowledge Vault, October 10th, full template text. That used to take me 15 minutes of scrolling. Now it takes 6 seconds. Query 2. I'm working on the pricing project. What relevant notes do I have? It pulled 3 notes from Knowledge, plus 2 from Archive that I had already filed away 6 months ago. I wouldn't have remembered those without it. The Archive database being searchable is the part most people skip, and it's where the oldest gold is. Query 3. This is the one that breaks people when they see it. What ideas have I captured in the last 6 months that I haven't acted on? It scans across time, finds things I captured but never moved to projects, and lists them for me. My own unacted-on backlog, surfaced automatically. Every Sunday, this query shows me the 3 or 4 things I should actually be doing instead of whatever I'm currently distracted by.
This is the system. 4 databases, 3 automations, 1 custom GPT, 1 10-second weekly sync. That's it. Set up the 4 databases today. It takes 15 minutes. Skip the automations for now if you want. You can add them later. Set up the custom GPT next. That's another 5 minutes. Do your first export and upload this Sunday. By next week, you have a brain that remembers everything. The mistake most people make is trying to build the perfect system before using it. Don't. Build the rough version, use it for 2 weeks, then refine. Your real system will emerge from usage, not from planning. I put the exact 4 database template, the custom GPT system prompt, and the Sunday review checklist in the description below. Copy the template directly into your own Notion workspace. Takes 1 click. Hit subscribe if you want more systems like this. Next week, I'm showing you the 5 AI tasks I automated this month that used to eat 10 hours. See you in the next one.